In this video, I'm going to explore the features of TR-808 from Roland Cloud.
Is the vaccine going to work? Is there a way of testing people on the door of a festival or of a venue?
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Joni with Point Blank Music School.
What's good? My name is Genesis Elijah. I'm a rapper, artist, producer.
Welcome to my home. Welcome to my studio. My name is Martin Holger.
Welcome to Friday Forum Live.
Using the plugins and to try and get the raw sound and make it something completely different.
This video is a snippet of our Intro to Production Ableton course.
I'm Sander van Doorn. I'm a Dutch DJ as well as producer.
Hello and welcome to the special Point Blank video.
This video is focused on textural percussion.
Well, thank you for inviting me.
I think one of the best ways to explain what a music director does is about arranging music for a particular moment and making it kind of jump off the page.
We are joined by Michael Adams, Director at Training and Development at Waves. Michael is live from Miami.
You're here, boy, all I want is just a chance to say, get out right now. It's the end of you and me.
I will rejoice.
Hi, my name's Ski Oakenfull, and today I'm going to be deconstructing Dua Lipa's Don't Start Now.
Did a full 180.
Hi everyone, DJ Ravine here.
And Ben Bristow.
We are Rudimental. We are joined live today by Dan the Sensor.
Hi everyone, my name's Chris and today I'm going to be deconstructing LFO's classic track, LFO.
You've been talking to strangers, trying to find your way.
I've always loved to have personal concepts behind all my pieces. And at the time, there was a lot of kind of techniques that I was using for Time for Prayer.
Hey guys, my name is Claude Royale. I teach composing for film and TV. And today, I'm going to walk you through my deconstruction of the main theme from The Mandalorian.
I'm from Trinidad and the Caribbean. I picked up a friend's keyboard at school when I was about 9.
Welcome all to the London Point Blank Open Day. And today really is an opportunity for all of you to find out more about Point Blank, take a look around our studio facilities and just get a bit of an experience of what it's like to be a Point Blank student.
Just using Logic's stock sounds and instruments.
Today I'm going to be doing this track, Lil Louis' French Kiss. Next sound is going to be the drums. We've got an 808, extremely important drum machine made by Roland.
I think Nicki started following Stylo from when we did Yuzimi. And there was a female remix that was like Miss Banks, Lisa Mercedes. Nicki tweeted one of Miss Banks or Lisa Mercedes, one of their bars, like all the pages started going mad. Oh, Nicki Minaj is listening.
Have a look at some options for adding low end to a track.
We're the Fanatics. We're gonna make a drill beat today.
In this video, we're going to look at both auto punch and replace recording modes for recording MIDI.
In this video, we're going to approach comping from a bit more creative aspect.
Welcome to a Point Blank Christmas. Hey everyone, DJ Ravine here, and today we've got another Point Blank video for you guys.